Hello, in this video I will illustrate how to install a parallel system. Let's start with single phase. Here we take 3 inverters as example. I will separately introduce battery connection, grid connection, and load connection. All the inverters must be connected to the same battery. It means that the battery wires, positive and negative, are shared by all the inverters. Here we connected them one by one. All inverters must be connected to the same AC input. That means the L line and N line of grid must be shared by all inverters. Now let's connect the AC input one by one. All inverters must be connected to the same AC output. That means the output of all inverters must be connected together, including L wire and N wire. Now let's do it one by one. It's already completed for battery connection, grid connection, and load connection. Now let's come to PV part. Each inverter is separately connected to PV, no parallel. Attention please! If you connect one strand of PV to multi-inverters, it will cause damage to inverters immediately. So please do not do this. Communication part. Each inverter has 2 parallel ports, a DB9 male and a DB9 female. Connect them one by one as a circle, first to second, second to third, and third back to the first. This is the connection for communication cables. Very easy to understand. The jumper cap. In a parallel system, you must install 2 jumper caps on the first and last inverters with the longest distance. Here it is the first one and the third one. Now let's see where to install it. Yeah, that's the correct location. And this is the jumper cap. The jumper cap is now installed. You can use tweezers to help the installation. Now let's come to parallel setting part. In setting page 27, set all inverters to PAR one by one. Congratulations! You already set up a parallel system in single phase. Now let's continue to a 3-phase system. We also start from battery, grid, and load one by one. For battery, there is no difference. All inverters must be connected to the same battery wires. Now let's just do it. For grid, the N wire is shared by all inverters, while the phase wire is shared only by inverters in that phase. For example, inverters 1, 2, 3 belong to phase 1 according to the design. So we connect N wire to N and phase wire to L1. Finish the remainings. Inverters 4 and 5 belong to phase 2. So connect N wires to N and phase wire to L2. It's easy to handle the last one. Just do it. Load connection is similar to grid. The output N wire is shared by all inverters, while the phase wire is shared only by inverters in that phase. So let's speed up. Phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. PV part. PV is the same, no parallel. Communication part. Here we have 6 inverters. If you still connect them one by one, the cable may be not long enough to connect from the last one to the first one. So we skip over one to the next, second to the first, the first to the sixth. Now you have a way back. The sixth to the fifth, the fifth to the third to the first. Jumper cap. There are no difference for single phase and three phase. Place 2 inverters on the first one and the sixth one. Parallel setting part. Set the inverters to 3P1, 3P2, and 3P3 according the phase they belong to. And here, in this system, set inverters 1, 2, 3 as 3P1. Set inverters 4, 5 as 3P2. Set the last one as 3P3. Let's have a try. Press and hold the Confirm button. You will enter Setting page. Turn to page 27. Before you change the value, turn off the output switch. Then press Confirm button. Then you can change the value. PAR 3P1, 3P2, 3P3. Confirm it. Excellent! You set up a parallel system in 3-phase. Okay, let's compare single phase and 3-phase. For battery, no difference. For grid, the difference is phase wire. For load, the difference is also phase wire. For communication, no difference. Just connect all inverters one by one in a circle. Jumper cap, no difference. 2 jumper caps on the first and last inverters with longest distance. For parallel settings, there are differences in single phase and 3 phases. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.